Hey guys, I'm out here in Linden, Arizona, which is outside of Show Low. It's considered Show Low on the map, but it's Linden. And I'm out here at a beautiful home. It's kind of unique. It's a two-story home that's got a golf course or a putt course and horseshoes and all that kind of stuff in the backyard. Just going to feature the home for it to sell, but it's the owner is a friend of mine, and he's a prominent member of the community and donates a lot and really supports community service and all that. So I'm happy to do this job. I don't consider it a job, but so today I'll be using the Inspire 2 and gonna unpack this little bad boy and get it rolling. Yeah. So we'll see you in the air. Here we go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I got the drone all packed away and gonna head back and process this video and get it edited and shipped off to the owner. Easy.